Stop worrying. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, stop worrying. It's a common phrase in English, used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding this phrase will definitely add value to your communication. Let's dive in. Stop worrying is a phrase that combines the verb, stop, and the gerund, worrying. When someone says, stop worrying, they are essentially telling someone else to cease or halt their feelings of anxiety or concern. This phrase is often used in situations where one person wants to reassure another that there is no need to be anxious or concerned about a specific issue or situation. This section will help you understand the appropriate contexts for using stop worrying. 1. Reassurance. When you want to reassure someone that things are going to be all right. For example, stop worrying. The test will be easy. 2. Comfort. To comfort someone who is stressed or anxious. For instance, stop worrying. Everything will work out in the end. 3. Persuasion. To persuade someone not to spend time being concerned about something unimportant or out of their control. Here, we'll look at several examples of how stop worrying can be used in various sentences and scenarios. 1. Personal relationships. Stop worrying. I'm sure your parents will love me. 2. Professional environment. Stop worrying about the deadline. We have enough time. 3. Casual conversations. Hey, stop worrying about the weather. It's supposed to be sunny later. Sometimes, you might want to express the same sentiment but in a different way. Here are some alternatives. 1. Don't fret, similar in meaning, but slightly less formal. 2. Don't be anxious, more formal and direct. 3. Relax, a more casual way to convey the same message. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, stop worrying, confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, the key is to use it in the right context and with the right tone. Happy learning, and don't forget to stop worrying.